Alchemist Prime. I'm your host CHAKRA, and I'm here to unbox this guy right here, courtesy of, you see it, FiFine microphones. They told me it was FiFine. It's FiFine, FiFine. This beautiful mic that they PayPal'd me to buy and to do an unboxing and review for you. And that's what we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna have fun with this one right here. We're gonna unbox this bad boy. Yeah, check out. Oh, I didn't drop a couple of things. I'll be right back. Here's what we got. We got the FiFine technology. I believe I got that bad boy right there. Yeah. Check it out. There we go. Boom. Can we get a focus on that? Can we get a focus? You see it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful technology from FiFine. Yes, sirree. The K669B, I believe. Hey, there we go. Let's get into the mic. See what the beautiful people at FiFine. Right off the bat, it feels good. We got the cable. It's a USB. Got the USB, nice lengthy cable too, by the way. I like lengthy cables. It's a good I don't know, like 1, 2, 3, like a 5-footer type of thing. Got the nice cable here going on. So right now, I'm on the bring this guy down for you guys. I'm on the road. I'm on this guy right here. You know, let's bring this guy down for you guys to visualize right there. So we're a little bit closer proximity now. This is like $30, right? Feels great. FiFine technology did a pretty good job. We got the gain knob for the volume. Feels pretty sturdy for $30. It definitely doesn't feel like $30. What else we got in the box? We got the little stand. Nothing else. So we got this little guy, this little cutie guy right here. Stand the mic up on there. I'm liking it because of its price range. You're not gonna have the decibels and the kind of like dynamic range, so to speak, for the sound, as opposed to a $300 $249 mic, as you know, to compare to this $30 mic. But if you are looking to really just hop into it right now, and really all you need, if you have a laptop, plug into your mic, an adapter and whatnot, and you just go right away, plug this into your laptop, boom, you know, you're good to go for $30. You know what I mean? Get yourself a little nice cheap laptop, you know, a good nice cheap mic like this one, and you're good to broadcast. You know, you're good to do some voiceovers on this one right here. FiFine, man, I appreciate you guys for sending this mic out. So this is right now the Rode mic. This is how the Rode mic sounds, right? I'm gonna connect this mic now to my laptop, right? And we're gonna see how this mic sounds in comparison to the Rode. Now that you guys are a little bit closer, we are on the camera internal mic itself. And what we're going to do now is connect this beautiful mic that FiFine sent me over. Appreciate you guys for the beautifulness. USB condenser mic. This mic is, like I said, the best for broadcasting. If you want to get on if you need a USB mic ASAP for 30 bucks, this is it right here, guys. Now it says, do you want to use audio USB Pro? We're going to go ahead and click yes on that one. Bring you guys here for old time's sake. Excuse the view. There we go. Go ahead and click yes or use for that guy. Hello, 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 hello. Turn the gain up. So this is equivalent to on mic gain control or volume control. Turn the volume up. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, there we go. Now that we're recording, now it's way too high now, as you can see. Okay, now we're recording. Now, as you can tell, I am recording and I turned it down till about yay much. It was a little higher. So as you can tell, sound test live. Turn it all the way up. Hello, hello. Now we are peaking. Now we are peaking. Now we are peaking. Now we are peaking. Turning it down as we are peaking. Now we are peaking. Are we peaking? Hello, hello. Is this a good proximity? Let's get to that sweet spot. Let's see. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Welcome to Alchemist Prime. I am your host, CHAKRA, and I believe this is the sweet spot, if I am not mistaken, for these current settings as I have them right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the fine microphone brought to you by these beautiful people at FiFine Technologies. I think this sounds pretty good for the for the bang for your buck. This is a pretty good mic, and like I said, so I'm recording this to, as you can see, Logic, and then I'm gonna take that Logic file and put it onto my Final Cut, and in Final Cut. If you guys want, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Let's go ahead and see if I can open up Final Cut here for you guys. Bring you guys in a little bit more. So what you want to do is you go into a file over here. As you can tell, you go click on this guy right here, and then up here, what you're gonna want to do is click right there. Now you are on your clip, right? Which this guy in particular is 1 point something minutes out of that. So you click on that. Now you're up here and it has the number, the same one. So you click on the sound, right, of that clip in the inspector, and you make sure that it's put on loudness, and as you can tell, mine is set to loudness and about 85 noise removal in order for this clip right here for the sound. If you can get into it, in between, as you can see, the sound waves, there are spaces. So when I'm not saying anything, for instance, right there, I went a little bit too far in, but right there, for instance, see when I'm not saying anything, it's flat. And that's literally nothing there. So you make sure that you have your as you can tell, this mic is sounding pretty good right now, and you make sure your loudness is you first of all you check to see that your levels are if you when you're at a proximity that you're comfortable with your mic, right? You make sure that your levels are good, to the point where it's not peaking, because when you go past I believe it's let me turn this mic down a little bit just to make sure. Shoot, when you go past, I think it's over there's a certain over decibel that you can get to. It's good if you're lower, you could always turn it up, but not too lower, because there's like the sweet spot, right? When you talk into the mic, you want to get it to where your voice is almost hitting that red, but not really, and turn it down a little bit lower, so you when you kind of yell, it doesn't peak, because when you peak, that's too much, and it's kind of scrambled, right? Excuse my lingo. I don't really know the lingo too much, but I kind of know what I'm talking about a little bit. So you hit it with that equalizer. Make sure the noise reduction is to a certain level of percentage that you feel comfortable with. As you can tell, I had mine's on 85. Equalizer to loudness, which hits it with that wave, that perfect function. And yeah, um, this mic is pretty dope for a $30 mic. As you can tell, this whole tutorial, like little thing, little something something, was on the FiFine microphone, and at one point, it was kind of far away and whatnot, and the volume wasn't kind of preset. I had it kind of over here. It's a kind of like that, look how it sounds here, and the level is right there. You see it right there. But yeah, man, all in all, for bang for your buck, for around 30 USD, chada chada dada, dollar dollar, cheddar cheddar, ching ching, bling bling. Go ahead and get you this mic. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button. Check out the links in the description. Comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video.